Hello everyone! Welcome back to Chikaza Cuisine, your go-to source for delicious homemade recipes. Today, we will tackle one of the classic French breads, the crispy and golden French baguette. We'll use a standing mixer to make the dough, making the process even easier. For ingredients we will need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 cup and 3/4 of cold water or 400 ml cold water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 pack of instant yeast. Alright, let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine the bread flour, salt, yeast, and sugar. Turn on your standing mixer to its lowest setting and slowly pour in the cold water. Let the mixer do its magic for a few minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Remove the dough from the mixer bowl and shape it into a smooth ball. Lightly oil or spray the mixing bowl and place the dough back in it. Cover it with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel for about 35 to 40 minutes to allow it to rise. Once the dough has risen, gently deflate it. And divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a baguette shape. Cover them and let them rise for another 20-30 minutes. Before baking, make those beautiful slashes on top using a sharp knife or razor blade. Brush egg white lightly over the baguettes. Preheat the oven to 475 degree F. Bake them for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. And there you have it, homemade French baguettes using your standing mixer. The result, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. As you can see, we made a mortadella sandwich, and it is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Bon appétit!